What's poppin', YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to, 773 Q60 IRS and the Redsport in the bag. What up, y'all? But today we're gonna be installing these Stillen intakes I picked up today for steel for 180. Can't go wrong, they're almost brand new. They just used them for like a month or two. But yeah, we're gonna be doing a review on them. Hose finally not gonna be stock no more, you know what I'm saying? Finally gonna be, a little some finna hit them turbos and shit. But yeah, y'all, this all getting a little dirty. I'm finna give a little cleanup. Finna install these holes real quick. I'll be back with y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Got the install done. Took me about like an hour or so by myself. Stillen. But yeah, give y'all a cold start and I'm gonna take it out somewhere because it's late at night and I don't wanna get my neighbors upset every night. I'm finna do a sound test for y'all, you know what I'm saying? But this is how they came out. Got the old ones in the Stillen box, but yeah, man, this is how it came out. You know what I'm saying? Stillen. Ooh, boy, I'm excited to hear them turbos. Let's get it. What's good, YouTube? It's currently the next day. I ain't go test fucking intakes, but we're about to go test them right now. I'm about to give y'all a cold start. Back, but I'm finna get 3-inch next. Full on exhaust. But let's see how intakes are doing. You know what I'm saying? Interior 3.0, you know what I'm saying? That's how they came out, y'all. Finna let this whole warm up and we're finna go take in a little test drive, you know what I'm saying? Please get it. Alright, y'all, we're about to do a little test with the new intakes. Let's see if we can hear the turbos. Let's see. But first, you could hear them turbos so clear. That's just on standard too. I just need to get 3-inch exhaust. This whole gonna be sounding minty and downpipes, of course. I'm about to hit this tunnel though. Let's see how the turbo sounds in this tunnel. Let them get it heck. Put in sport. Even the let off sounds so good. Oh my god. I don't even know. I'm speechless. I don't even know what to say. Hell yeah. Hell yes. There's a tunnel right up ahead, y'all. Definitely must, y'all. If y'all have a 3.0, if y'all thinking about intakes, highly recommend y'all. Even I feel like any would have, the AMS, Stillen, Takata, all of them are a great choice just to open up your turbos a bit, you know. But yeah, I'm finna do a little more pulls over here, and I'm finna pull over and wrap up the video for y'all. What I haven't done, y'all, is a launch. That's what I wonder how it sounds with the intakes, you know, if it takes off better and shit. God, bro, I can't get the sound of this car. I'll do my last little pour right here, y'all, for y'all. You know what I'm saying? For y'all, for YouTube. Alright, yeah. Just do a little pour. Alright, guys, gonna wrap up the video. Let me know what I should do next, what mods y'all think I should do next. But yeah, I'm finna show y'all the intakes one last time and finna wrap up this video. But yeah, this is how she's sitting. If y'all are wondering, still the same, just added the intakes. But yeah, let me show you the intakes. There's them intakes, you know what I'm saying? Stillen. Or be like, oh, I'll get 10 out of 10, but realistically, like, you know what I'm saying? 9.5, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Catch you on the next one.